Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to put your name or contact information on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. So here I have a Galaxy S25 Ultra and this is the lock screen, and here you can put your name or contact information like phone number or email address in case you lost your phone. So to do that, it is very easy. You need to go on your phone to settings and here scroll down and tap on lock screen and always on display. And here we have contact information. And here you can put, as I told you, your name, your phone number or email address, so you can be contacted if you lose your phone. Let's say, for example, I will put my name then, and now tap done, exit and lock the screen. And as you can see, now here appears my name, and also you can put your email address. It's the same. Let's say, for example, test around gmail.com and tap done. And now I will exit again, lock the screen. And as you can see, here appears now my email address. This is a test address, okay? And you can be contacted if you lose your phone. Okay, so this was my short tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.